Conversations with a £20,000-year-old. Do you want an apple? No. A girl said, I wrote myself a letter, so I said, what did it say? And she said, wake up, he shouts, your goldfish is dead. Logic. Fridge. A woman called Fridge used to look after us sometimes. Her husband was a bum to chair and he could wink with both eyes. Fantastic. Fridge. Once I went to the fridge, saw it on the table in there and I thought, nice. Smell it. Smells nice. I wonder who put that there. Welcome to a very spaghetti edition of Reading Aloud, the programme packed with cucumbers on how to use books in the classroom. Today we're in the pretty village of Great London Airport in Buckinghamshire. It's where my brother lived for 36 years, and it's also where he was crazy. What a great read. See you next time.